Hi, I'm Jason Ray with Simply Home with today's tech tip. Today we're going to be talking about our customer website, which comes with all of our Simply Home Butler systems. We encourage all of our customers to take advantage of the backend website and the features that it offers. But if you don't have a login to the site and you need one, please contact our customer support team. Once you log into the website, you come to our dashboard page, which has a number of helpful features on it. If you look on the left-hand side, you'll see two items where you can select your accounts. If you have multiple accounts you're monitoring, you can actually select which account you want to view, and then below that you'll see another drop box that lets you select different clients. If you have multiple people that you're supporting with one system, you can select that with that drop-down box. Underneath that you'll see a system status box, and that's going to tell you whether or not your system's connected and working properly. If you have an issue with your system, it's not connected or hasn't been set up properly, it's going to show up right there. You should see a green box that says your system is currently connected, and you shouldn't see any other errors there. If you do have an error, it's going to pop up in that left-hand box regardless of the screen that you're on the website. In the middle of the page on the dashboard screen, you'll see a couple of different items. In the top left, you'll have a recent notifications section, and all the items in this dashboard page are going to show you relevant recent activities and information of things that have happened on your system. So the recent notifications are actual alerts that have happened, text messages, phone calls, emails that have been generated in your system. An example would be if you have a client that presses their panic sensor and needs assistance, or maybe their door opens during an inappropriate time, and let them know that that activity has happened. That's the actual alert that has happened, and the time and who's been alerted. That all goes along with that. Conversely, in the box right next to that, the recent activity, that's the actual sensor activations that have happened. Not every sensor activation is going to generate an alert, but every time a sensor is activated, somebody gets in and out of bed, opens and closes the door, even if it doesn't generate an alert, that information is cataloged on our website so that you can go back and look at that information, run reports. But a good example would be you may not want to get an alert every time somebody gets in or out of bed at night, but maybe you want to see how often that's happening over time. You can see that activity in the reporting tools and real time on the dashboard screen right here. Underneath that, there's also a discussion section, so if you want to make notes about things that have happened for a particular client that you're serving, or for just your system in general, for other people who are logging into that system to see, all those recent discussion items are cataloged in that bottom right-hand corner. You'll also see a couple of other tabs at the top of the screen, the My Home section, which is going to give you more detail about the current status of any of the sensors. Also give you information about all the notifications you have on the system and when the last time they were sent out, who are the people who are getting those notifications. And then also you'll see a section about the system itself, where it's located, and who all has access to view your system. There's also a reporting section that lets you see information about when sensor activations happened, how often they happened, the average number of times they happen on a daily basis. And the same thing with the notifications, again, differentiating actual sensor activity, which may or may not generate alert, and the actual notifications or alerts themselves. Finally, if you need to contact our customer support team, you can always do that by calling our 800 number, or by clicking on the Contact Us link once you log into the website. You'll see in the top right-hand corner a Contact Us link. And if you fill out the information on that form, it'll open a customer support ticket for you automatically so that we can follow up appropriately with whatever your need is.